Here we have notes for section 3.5, proving lines parallel. So main ideas and vocab. So the first couple slides here are just a bunch of theorems. So postulate 3.4 says that if you have corresponding angles that are congruent, the lines are parallel. 3.5 just talks about the fact that if there's one line and a third point not on the line, there's only one parallel line that goes through it. Then here are your probably most important ones. So 3.5 here says that if alternate exterior angles are congruent, lines are parallel. 3.6, consecutive interior angles are supplementary, lines are parallel. 3.7, alternate interior angles are congruent, then the lines are parallel. And 3.8, if you have two lines perpendicular to the same line, the lines themselves are parallel. Good things to have in your book for test day. So, example 1 here, we're actually not going to do example 1 because I don't really like that question. So, moving on. Example 2, find x and the measure of RSU so that m and n are parallel. So here you have 8x plus 4, here you have 9x minus 11. They are corresponding angles, so if these lines are parallel, they have to equal each other. So I'm going to bring the 8x over here. So 4 equals x minus 11, bring the 11 this way. 15 equals x, so that's part of the problem, but I still have to find RSU. So 8 times 15 plus 4, that's going to be 120 plus 4, or 124. So both parts. Don't forget to read what the directions are actually asking you to do. So x equals 15 and 124. Alright, so here, given R parallel S and 5 and 6 are congruent, prove L parallel to M. So statements and reasons. So start always with your givens. So I know that angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 because they are consecutive interior angles. And if 5 and 6 are congruent, angle 4 plus angle 6 is also 180 by substitution. And if that's true, L is parallel to M, consecutive angles are supplementary, lines are parallel. That would be 3.6 if you're doing the theorems. Example 4 here, determine whether G is parallel to F. So to do that we need their slopes. So for G, the slope is up 4 and over 3. So for line G it's 4/3. For line F it's up 4 and over 3. So yes. No. Slopes are equal. That's how I know they're parallel. Oh, and that's the end.